Hey, I'm Kelvin with Apollo. In addition to being the most up-to-date lead database available, Apollo also gives you access to the world's only end-to-end sales platform, which makes it easy to find the right prospects, engage with them at the right time using the right message, take deals to the finish line, as well as optimize and automate your workflows. You can start by prospecting in Apollo's massive database of over 280 million people and 70 million companies. Search with incredible precision using dozens of advanced filters such as job changes, technologies used, and you could even see what your prospects are researching online with the buying intent filter. You can also download the Apollo Chrome extension to access prospect information on the fly when browsing LinkedIn or company websites. From there, create targeted lists to get your leads' email addresses and mobile phone numbers, then engage with them by creating sequences of emails, phone calls, and LinkedIn touches. You can also utilize A/B testing and AI to optimize your outreach and send every lead a personalized message. Next, the Home tab helps you always know your next best move, like who to respond to, who to target next, and what tasks to do in what order. So no prospect ever falls through the cracks again. And as your inbox fills with replies, leverage meetings to easily schedule time with your prospects and get insights that are generated automatically before and after every meeting. Move closer to closed won with Conversations, which offers you AI-powered video call summaries and coaching tools, while Deal Intelligence provides a centralized platform to view and manage your entire pipeline. Now, in addition to all these features, I'm sure you'd like a way to keep track of how well everything's working, and that's where analytics comes in. Here you can make data-driven decisions by analyzing your sales efforts from every angle possible. And finally, streamline your sales process using simple yet effective automations with Apollo's Plays. So if you're ready to close more deals, head over to apollo.io today and create an account for free.